Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning, myself Sangeeta Devi from GK Jain School, Rayapura. To have a more update on our education videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel GK Jain School. And if you like our videos, you can just like our. In today's class, we are going to see 11th standard commerce, and we have started discussion about the many topics in the second unit, objectives of the business. In that, we are going to discuss about the business. It is one of the types of the economic activities. In the economic activities, we have the three types. It was based on the occupations. One was with the employment, profession that we discussed in the last session. In today's class, we are going to see about the one more type about the business. What is the meaning of business and what is the definition which is given by the authors, and we are going to see about the what is the business activity is going to have. This is all we are going to learn about more in depth about the business. Many students, as you all came to the 11th standard, you will have a dream that you wants to become wants to do some business. In your mind, many of your mind will have it in that. So we are going to know, before becoming an ambitions, you should know about it, right? So likewise, in today's session, we are going to see about the business. So what is business and what are the things you have it in the outside? What are the things you can get a benefit out from them for starting up the business? There is a lot of things which is being given by our government for the entrepreneurs. So that and all we will see, and we will have some discussions about it in the today's class. So first thing, what is the meaning of the business? So business meaning we are going to see in the today's class. So meaning wise, business is also a human activity. What is that? It is a human activity. Why we should have this as a human activity? Because it is like activities which is going to be done by the humans for some benefit, or that is the object of earning a profit. Yes, obviously economic activities is what it is, an activity which is going to be performed with the motive of earning a money. Obviously business is also like a human activity. It is going to be done by the humans for us personal satisfaction, that also with the object of the earning money. So that is what we have done it as a business. Generally it is a human activity. So with the motive of what? Earning a profit. What is that? Earning a profit. Earning a profit is the motive of the business. Earning a profit. Next we have is that not only the human activity earning a profit, it is through some process. Some process is what? We have production, distribution, and purchase and sales. So this is what is about the business. So very easy here. It is very simple meaning. It is a human activity with the motive of earning a profit. Next is production, distribution. Production is what? Producing the goods. Is manufacturing the goods, we tell it as production. Distribution, very simple. Distributing the goods. If it is your birthday, you will distribute the chocolates. If it is a festival, you will distribute the sweets to all the neighbors and friends. So distribution is something distributing from you. You are going to give it to all. So likewise from the manufacturer. Manufacturer is one who manufacture the goods. Yeah, let me take it up here. And there is a customer. Now if it is going to be, let me take it up two places. One is Adayar. Okay. Another one is CMD. Coimbatore. We take it up two different places. Okay. From here I need to pass the goods to the place. So from manufacturer, from that Adayar place to the customer and the CMD, the goods needs to reach. Through distribution it reaches. So that person who is doing that activity is also business. What they will do? They will arrange for some transport. Okay, or some agents will be involved. If they are going to be involved from the area, obviously it is going to reach the CMD through the transport. So that is what is the distribution. So Amazon, Flipkart, where they all, if you want a goods, if I want a mobile phone, or if I want a fridge or a washing machine or some electronic goods, that is also available in the e-commerce. That we can have the different brands with the different rates will be there, which color you want, which quality, and what is your based on your preferences, you can purchase it. That is possible. But how it reaches you all? Anyone have imagine about those things? We are touching the phones and we are clicking all the options and we are adding to the cart and we are going to place the order. After placing the order, the concerned person will communicate to you and they will be asking for some landmarks of your address or some things they asked you. After they are asking all those details, what they will do? They will deliver the goods. So how they deliver? Some persons are not specifically from this brand and this branch only they want the goods, they also can be specified in the e-commerce. From the Adyar branch only I want the food. Let me take it a food. That is also being delivered. I want the Adyar branch to be food only. I can order the place and that food. That is also can be delivered in the place. So through what? Through the transportation. So through the distribution. Through the distribution is the one of the process of the business activity. Production is very easy. One who manufactures or make the goods. That we tell it as production. Distribution is what? Distributing all those goods. Okay. Now let me see about another two more things. One is purchase. Yes, that is also one of the business activity. Why? If I purchase from someone person, let me take it off. I go to some wholesale shop or some bigger shop. Okay, wholesale and all. A few students will not know what the meanings. Let me take it off. Simple example. I go for the bigger shops where the rates are really cheaper. Okay, I buy 10 tables. What I am buying? 10 tables. And only one table is required by me. I use one table for me. And I am going to have what? 9 tables in excess. So what I buy that when you go for the bigger shop or wholesale shop, they will give you only in the bulk. You get the 10, but you need only one table. If you get one table, the 9 tables which you are going to resell. That we tell it as purchase. I purchase it then and I use this one and I use reselling all the other 9. So that is also business. Next, we have is the sales. Yes, obviously, if I make a manufacturing unit, I myself have the bread or a butter manufacturing unit. I sell all my goods. That is also business. So this is what is the meaning of the business. Very simple. It is the human activity with the motive of earning a profit through the production, distribution, purchase and sale of goods. We tell it as a business. Now we have two authors who has given definitions about the business. Let me see what are the definitions which they have given. Let me see. First author, James Stephenson. Who is James Stephenson? He has what he has done for the business. He has given some definitions for the business. Okay, what is the definition he has given was? Whenever you are writing the definitions in your exams, students very clearly keep it in your mind that the quotations, comma and full stop should never be changed. Whatever it is there, as it is you should write it. If you give for the general meaning or not, you can make some changes, no problem. But in the definition, no changes should be there. As it is, how it is there in your textbook, write it in your classbook also. Sorry, in your board exams also, you can write it. Okay, so the James Stephenson has given a definition for the business that it is an economic activities performed for earning a profit. What is that? Economic activity. What is economic activity? It is an activity performed for the motive of money through earning a profit. That was the definition which was given by the James Stephenson. So very clearly he has given only single line for the definitions. Economic activities performed for earning a profit. That is what is a business. Now who has given one single line economic activity performed through earning a profit. And next was H. Haney, who has given about the economic activities and human activity which is going to be directed through the productions and how it is going to acquire the wealth through purchase and sale of goods and services. Next, one more information I want to tell you about regarding this business. Okay, business activity. What are the business activity which we have? One is rising. So from one material I am going to rise up to some other level. Okay, I purchase some goods. Let me take it off. I am purchasing it in a smaller quantities. Okay, let me take it off 10 packets of biscuits I am buying, and I am going to change the wrappers, and I am going to change that 10 packets if it has 100 biscuits. Okay, let me take 100 biscuits and I am going to make it each biscuit packet with 20 biscuits. Okay, so that is about the rising. So I am going to change that and I am going to increase the thing. That is a business activity, one of the business activity. Next is producing. Yes, I myself can start the manufacturing unit. I myself can start the manufacturing, car manufacturing, or mobile phone manufacturing, or furniture manufacturing unit, any unit. I can start and I can do my business. That is also business activity. And we have the processing of foods, the processing of the goods. Yes, from one to the other I am changing, and then I can do. That we will be doing it in the industry form. What it will tell it as form utility. From one form I am going to change the other form. What is the meaning of utility? One satisfying power. So from form utility, what you learn is from one form to the other form I am going to change. Let me take it of one example. Best example, wood. Okay, I buy some wood, tree wood from some suppliers, and I am going to change the wood into a table or sofa or furnitures. Let me take of any kind of furnitures. Any furniture, table, sofa, bed, cot, anything I am going to change that wood, and I am going to sell it as final consumptions to the customers. I am going to sell this final goods to the customer. That is the processing of goods. It will happen in the industry. Industries will create the form utility. How they create? From one form to the other form I will change, and I am going to sell it to the customer. For the final consumption I am going to sell it to the customer through this, changing the forms. This is what is about the business activity. What is a business activity which is having us rising, producing, or processing of goods? Rising is something I am going to make only slight changes and I am going to increase the quantity, and here producing is I am only going to produce the goods. Processing is that it is going to be one best example, form utility, from one form to the other form. The industries type of the business and all they do this. So this is about the business. So in today's session we have discussed about the meaning of business, definition given by two authors. One was James Stevenson, another one was H. Haney. And the next one we saw about the business activity. What are the business activity through which the business has been conducted? We saw about the rising, producing, or processing of the goods. So in the next class we will be seeing about the classifications of the business. What is the classification? Based on which the classifications of business is being done. We have three bases. One is based on the size, another one based on the ownership, and the last one is based on the function. So under the size and the functions or the ownership we have a different categories, and in-depth discussions we will do it in the